Oh, ito. Ito.
Anterior.
Ano to? Ano yan?
Deep. Facial artery. Sa may middle.
Is this superficial or deep?
Superficial.
Why? Nasa flap eh. If it's in the flap, that means that's subview. It's still considered superficial. So choices mo narrow down to 2 out of those 2. And small saphenous. So this will be great saphenous. Okay.
Great saphenous.
Yeah.
Flap. Great saphenous.
Okay.
Sir, ano to? Tibialis anterior. Tibialis
Yes, anterior. Ang tingin nyo dapat towards the tendon. Kaya nga, paano ko yun? How did I teach you ba? Whenever you isolate, pag ganyan, always go through the entire length of the tendon or kung kaya nyo, the entire length of the muscle. But in this case, since may restriction sila dito, ang kaya mo lang hanggang dyan ka lang. Hanggang dyan ka lang.
Ayan, flexor hallucis. Extensor hallucis.
Okay.
Extensor hallucis long. So, ito, extensor digitorum. Tibialis anterior to. Saan yung breve? Sabi dito?
Flexor digitorum.
Saan yung breve? Ano? Sa baba. Gusto?
Kinikinig ako naman naman.